So, my parents have just returned from Jamaica, and in and amongst the luggage is the following.
Don't ask me how.
That is 4 bottles of rum, 2 bottles of Sangsters, 1 bottle of rum cream, and another bottle of rum. That is 8 roasted breadfruit.
7 roasted
So,
and 1 green.
sorry, 7 roasted and 1 green. 2 big bags of ackee. Now, Lord knows how much a tin ackee is in the shop. Ladies and gentlemen, that's like £200 worth of ackee. Bammy. Soursap. That is still frozen. June plums. Mangoes. OTT apple, if you know, you know. Almonds. And lastly, a box of patties. Now, this all managed to be brought home amongst this, which also includes clothes. All I have to say is
The woman is a genius.
she's a genius. World-class smuggler. Thanks very much.